Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So I'm feeling like somebody, even though they're frustrated, they're doing what they have to do to clear away those obstacles. So remember I was telling you, I'm picking up somebody's in some type of situation they're not happy in, and they're wanting to be with you. See, there's justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. And you know what? It's so funny because before I started, recording this video, I was messing around with my cards, and your card for Virgo, the Hermit came out for Virgo, right? Right after your card came out, there's justice for Libra. So maybe some of you Virgos are dealing with a Libra. Maybe there's a Libra that's cross-watching, dealing with a Virgo. Maybe somebody's in some type of legal or court situation. But regardless, I'm seeing that somebody wants the truth from you. See, the Death card tried to come out. Could have been dealing with a Scorpio. I do feel like maybe somebody could be going through some type of legal situation or some type of contract. Maybe they're trying to put an end to it. So I'm seeing that somebody here is making a decision. Clarify? Y'all, I'm picking up something legal here. Somebody's in some type of legal situation. I do feel like they're trying to get out of it because the Four of Pentacles tried to jump out, So, yeah, there could be a third party involved here. I do feel like this person, they want to ask you out. They want to celebrate with you. But what I tell y'all? Somebody's trying to get out of something legal. So there's somebody here that's married. Or they're in some type of long-term commitment they're trying to get out of. And I feel like they will get out of it. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. So Virgo, either you're in a commitment or you're married and you're trying to get out of it, or it's someone that you're thinking about. Somebody could be, again, trying to get out of some type of business deal, contract. Yeah, see? This person, they're wanting to move forward. Somebody went through a lesson here. But I'm telling you, they're having to get out of something. This person knows that they hurt you. And they feel like you're not going to open up. See, look at that. They stabbed you in the back one too many times. Yep, they stabbed you in the back because they were being a player. This person definitely was running in and out of your life. This person was not consistent. And this is why, there was a third party. This is why they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. And that's why they're moving really slow to come towards you. Because even though, I feel like the cycle that they're going through is basically done, right? And they're wanting to come back towards you, but they know they have to come back correct. You're not playing with them. See, didn't I tell y'all that Death card tried to come out? Yeah. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I'm telling you, somebody's putting an end to a situation, but they fear that it's too late between the two of you. But see, look at that. What did I tell y'all? This person, they're trying to clear away obstacles. So somebody is definitely doing what they need to do to get out of some type of commitment, marriage, contract. Even though they're frustrated, they're going to do it. Oh, is that the Eight of Cups? Yep. See what I'm saying? Somebody's walking away. They're walking away from a situation, but I do feel like they're afraid when they come back, you're going to walk away from them. See, and that's why it's like they're not listening to their intuition. This is fear. This is fear. Yep, there's communication coming in. This person definitely wants to talk to you, Virgo, but they're back and forth with some type of family situation. If it's not family, it could be, somebody that they were dealing with in the past, but look at that. I'm telling you, they're in some type of family situation or some type of living arrangement, something with home. It's something like that this person is having a hard time with. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this is why this person is losing hope, that they're not going to be able to have anything with you, and this is why they're quiet. This person doesn't talk. It's like they have a hard time communicating their feelings to you. Ooh, y'all, another king tried to jump out. Maybe this person's afraid that, you moved on or you're going to move on. What did I just say? Lord. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo. But this person is like, they're trying to figure out what to do. Right now, they're doing a lot of soul searching. This person's doing a lot of thinking. See, because right now, they're trying to make a decision. Tell me more. They're frustrated. I feel like this person is waiting on something to come through financially for them. But they know that they had you waiting around. See? There's something's going on with their money. Remember I told you this person is trying to get out of some type of
some type of contract that they have with someone else, and it's affecting their money. And it's like, well, dang, I'm trying to wait to see if I have to either pay out or, you know, I'm waiting on some type of settlement, whatever it is, but they feel like they can't move forward with you. But by the time they want to move forward with you, because I'm telling you, another king tried to jump out, they're afraid that it's going to be too late. You're going to be, you know, moving on with someone else. Yeah, see what I'm saying? This person's afraid, like, you cut them off. For a lot of you, you know, you had to, because they kept, again, going back and forth. They could have been being a player, being very inconsistent. But I am getting this energy where this person is trying to cut off either a family situation or someone that they've been dealing with, you know, a home. Yeah, see, I told you. They want to be with you. Virgo, this person definitely wants to be with you, but there's somebody holding on to them for money, and this is a problem. They're trying to make sure, okay, they're going to be content financially speaking, and this is why right now they're trying to make a change. It's balancing on my hand. They're going to come back and give you the truth. They're going to tell you the truth. Why is the Five of Wands here? Okay. I'm picking up two things. I'm feeling like right now when it comes to this individual and how they're thinking about you, it's like they're in their head. Because they don't know if you're going to be willing to take them back. You're willing to give them another chance, you know. And so they're going to make this decision that, yes, they want this new opportunity with you. But to be honest with you, Virgo, I am picking up, there's a lot of arguing going on with this person I'm picking up on and whoever they've been dealing with, you know. And it may be, for some of you, more than one person that they're getting into it with. Because I'm telling you, they're waiting on a judgment from the court. Somebody is definitely going through a legal situation, or they're getting ready to. But it's like as soon as they get this judgment from the court, it's like, okay, I can have a new opportunity with Virgo or Crosswatcher. This is what they're saying about you. But right now, they can't do anything. You know, there's no balance in their situation. They know that they're not going to be able to give you everything. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But the thing is, they can't give this to you until they remove themselves from this situation that they put themselves into. It's not a good relationship, commitment, marriage, family. It's not good, you know? And so right now, it's like they're having a hard time because it's like the universe is pushing them to make this change. Okay. Yep. This person looks at you as someone who's very positive. You know, you're passionate, you're a go-getter. But see, I'm telling you, they're afraid you're going to let them go. This has been going on for too long. See? I told you, you're a go-getter. And the thing is, you tried with this person, you know, multiple times. Like, you really tried. But, look at that. I'm seeing 11-11. You see what I'm saying? Like, you guys have this soulmate connection. Maybe for some of you, it might be a twin flame. But I'm telling you, there's a connection here. You know, and this person, they're thinking back to all the times where they didn't put in the work with you. You tried to tell them certain things, right? And so now, yes, they want a commitment with you, but they're afraid that it's done. You're just going to cut it all the way off. And so it's like they're trying to have the confidence to come towards you and apologize, but at the same time, they're struggling with it. They're not confident within themselves. For some of you, maybe this person has a child. It's with you, maybe with someone else. But I'm seeing if there is a child involved in the situation, they're having to give money. You know, that might be the court situation that I was picking up on. You know, they're having to pay someone else, you know, in order to balance things out so that way they can come towards you. Now, if there's not a child involved, let's just say if it's family, maybe your person is the child in the situation, having to take care of family or, you know, having to take care of someone, and that's been the issue. They definitely want to work things out with you, hands down. See, this person, it's like they're going to be confident. They're going to have the confidence to come towards you, but see, right now, it's like they're not putting in the work. Didn't I tell? Look, I told y'all. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. Virgo, didn't we discuss this last month? Y'all got options? Y'all have options, okay? I mean, okay. Y'all have options. Y'all ain't even mad at y'all, okay? My Venus is in Virgo. I'm not mad, okay? Y'all better come through, okay? This person took too long, so guess what? You're like eeny, meeny, miny, mo, okay? Which one do I want to roll with? Because this person has been playing games. They could have a child with someone else, a family with someone else, or they've just been entertaining, you know, someone else, and you don't have time for it. You don't. Y'all just better. See what I'm saying? Look at There is definitely some type of family situation going on here. I do feel like this person that I'm picking up on, they want to have a family with you. You are their wish fulfillment. Tell me more. But see, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you at all. Yep. They feel like you don't want to build with them. See, I told you this person is frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good, Virgo. They feel like you're done. There's no way in hell you're going to take them back. But it's not going to stop them. See, they want a new opportunity with you. This person definitely, they're going to fight for you. They're not going to give up, see? They're going to give you an offer. It's a small offer because they know that they just can't come in and say, look, I'm sorry for X, Y, and Z. Be with me. No. Because remember, you have eeny, meeny, miny, and mo was somewhere back there. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all have options. It's not going to be easy. Or they're going to have to fight. See, it's like 1 minute they're sure of themselves. They're making a decision. But the next minute, they're unsure. But they definitely want to heal things with you. They want things to improve between the two of you. And see, look at that. It's like they're coming to give you this small offer in hopes of basically giving you this bigger offer. They want to give you the offer that you deserve, the offer that you should have received from day one. Oh, this is the problem. This person, they move slow, right? They've been moving slow for a long time. And they watch you from afar. So it's like they can't really make a move because they're still in some type of situation with someone else. They're having to go through a situation. So in the meantime, they have no choice but to watch you. And I feel like by watching you, either y'all been... Whose profile is not private? It's public, okay? They are watching you. Maybe y'all are still friends on social media. It's like they're seeing what you're doing. They're like, man, no. I'm telling you this, see? Look at that. They're seeing the truth. I feel like it's like you're happy. You're moving on without them, and I feel like it frightens them. See, they don't have a peace of mind about it. They do not have a peace of mind because, see, they want this new beginning with you, Virgo, and they're worried because, see, they can't take action. They can't move, you know, because of a third party. They want to make sure, financially speaking, things are going to be okay for them. They're not, see... I'm telling you, something's going on with their money. And they're trying to make sure that they don't get left out in the cold, financially speaking. Like, they want to make sure their money's okay. But they want to heal things with you because they did leave you out in the cold for a third party. They want to heal your broken heart. But because of that third party, they can't move forward just yet. I'm skipping signs. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Y'all know how I am when I'm just in my little mood, you know, just be going. Anyway, from what I can see, somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But see, this person feels like you're no longer going to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. And see, it's like they're struggling. 1 minute they want to give you an offer. But the next minute they're like, okay, if I give her or him this offer, they're going to reject me. See, I told you. They're going to reject me. They're not going to accept this offer. They don't want it anymore. I played games. I lied. I did X, Y, and Z. Now they're afraid they're not going to have a victory with you. I'm telling you, somebody's taking a financial hit, but they're trying to get themselves together because they want a new beginning with you. Okay. So yes, this is why they're trying to free themselves from a situation. They're coming out of being frustrated, but the thing is, they know they were being immature and childish towards you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Leo, and this is why they don't have the strength to come towards you because they didn't do right by you. Could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. See, they don't know what to do. This person, didn't I tell y'all I got choked up? They don't know what to say. They don't know what to do. I'm seeing a lot of fire here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but it's like they want stability with you. Look at the Emperor and the Empress. They want stability with you, but at the same time, they know that they didn't do right by you in the past. See, and this is why they're not taking a leap just yet. You know, this person isn't positive. Maybe this person in the past was being very controlling. They played games. They were being a trickster. And now it's like karma is biting them because now the door has been opened to where you have other options and they know it.
That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.